Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to purchase your very own domain. In this example, I'll be using Google Domains. And so for the first step, go ahead and type in domains.google into the address bar, and you should see this page. In the box here, go ahead and type in the domain that you want to check if it's available. So in this example, I'll just be typing in like a random URL or random domain. And once you see these results, these are basically all of the possible domain endings that you can purchase for the specific domain that you looked up. The base price is usually around $12 a year, but just depending on which one you purchase, it might be less or more expensive. So in this example, I'm just going to be buying the .com domain. And so I'm going to click here and then click the add to cart button. Once it's done that, I'm going to click the checkout button now up here at the top right. And once you get to this page, you'll see a couple different options. The very first option is a privacy protection feature that Google Domain offers for free. And basically, it'll just help protect your identity from people who try to look up who purchased the domain that you're trying to buy. So yeah, I would just highly recommend it as it's a free feature that Google Domains offers. The second feature is basically just to turn on automatic billing once a year. That way, you won't accidentally forget, and someone might potentially try to buy your domain before you can do it yourself. And then for the very last option is if you want like a professional looking email with your domain, you can basically click this option to use that feature. But yeah, once you decide all the features you want, you go ahead and click checkout. And then on the next page, you'll see information for payments. So go ahead and fill out all the payment information. And once you're done with all of that, you can just click the buy now button at the very bottom. And once you've done that, you now own the domain. So if you found this video helpful in any way, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.